Hey guys, how are we all doing? Welcome to Saturday. It snowed today. I'll show you guys some footage, but I'm gonna go and get morning. Jenna's awake. She has been absolutely crazy last night, and she's been like this for the past 3 days where she's barely sleeping at night, and it's just, oh my god, it's hard, especially when a baby cries. The things it does to your head, it's crazy. But yeah, I haven't, all of it today's cookie because, and it's what, 2 o'clock now? It's 2:30 now, and all of it today's a cookie. So I'm gonna go downstairs and see if there's anything else I can eat. But other than that, I'm gonna wash Jenna's bottles. This is her, what I keep her bottles in after I've washed them. So she has 6 bottles at the moment that I need to wash, and she's playing over there. Yeah, those are the cookies that ate. Well, I ate one, so I'm a good girl. They're called milk chocolate cookies by Asta, and she is playing. She has this new toy, and she likes it sometimes and she hates it sometimes, but she's in a playful mood now, simply because she has caught up on her sleep, and she wasn't sleeping all night, so hopefully she's in a playful mood now and will let me do my work. Good morning, guys. I think it snowed again last night because we have snow on the roof. I'm hoping there's snow on the table in the garden so I can do some product shots. But yeah, it is freezing cold today. I had a shower. I don't understand people who have showers in the morning. But yeah, I just decided to have a shower today, and I was freezing even though the bathroom window was shut, and I was literally having a bath with boiling hot water. I was still freezing to death. But yeah, I quickly had a bath, and I wore this nice sticker jumper on, so I feel a lot better. I have woke up on time today, so I'm proud of myself. I woke up at like 9, I want to say. My niece, why do I keep calling my daughter my niece? I don't get it. It's probably because I still can't believe I have a daughter. But yeah, my daughter Jenna, she was a bit unsettled, although she slept more today than she has on any other day. Like, she slept quite peacefully, but I think it's got something to do with my husband, because my husband has Sundays off and she completely changes for him on Sundays. Oof. Make sure this doesn't come off. Yeah, she completely changes for him on Sundays. Like, she goes all goo-goo-eyed on him, and she is more settled with him, because I think she knows that Sunday is his day to spend with her literally all day. But she does not give him a hard time at all, which is so unfair, because I have her 6 days of the week. Jenna, please be nice to me. But yeah, so I'm starving. I'm gonna go find something to eat. And I'm hoping today I could take Jenna out just so she could see the snow. Hopefully. She saw it yesterday. I took her out into the garden when it was actually snowing. Oh the god, this towel's heavy. Yeah, I took her out yesterday when it was actually snowing, and she absolutely loved it, but it was just far too cold. So now that it stopped snowing, hopefully she will enjoy it more and not get it as cold. But yeah, guys, be careful. The weather's horrible. Even though it's like not snowed as bad, it's still horrible. So just take care of yourselves, and yeah, let's go make some breakfast. I got this in the post today. It's a Cadbury free, well, go for free, Cadbury nutty bar. The parcel was half open, so, but luckily the bar stayed in there. Look how nice this looks. It says Cadbury nutty peanut and almond in milk chocolate. It just looks like such a healthy bar. Yep, so I can't wait to eat this. I'm not going to eat this now because obviously I want to eat something warm, but I can't wait to eat this later on. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. But I've all my slippers on. I bought these from Asda, I want to say, like 2 years ago. They're really comfortable. The only thing is, in the beginning, a lot of fluff used to come off from the inside, and used to get on my socks and stuff, but I think that stopped now. So yeah, this is just what is needed on this cold day. This is appropriate gear. Right, let's go make my porridge. I'm eating this one, apple and blueberry again. Oh yes, but this is all the stuff that I bought from Ikea a couple of weeks ago, and I'm going to show you guys what I bought. And I've got some stuff upstairs. There's like a hole. I fixed the system that I bought, one of the systems that I bought earlier, and I'm going to show you guys how I did that, like added in. But yeah, this is what I bought. All done. Unfortunately, we don't have any fruit, so I'm just going to have to eat it like that. Okay guys, we have freshly washed bottles. Well, you might be thinking I started off with 6, why do I have only 2 in here? But before Jenna goes to sleep, we fill 3 of the bottles up with boiling hot water and leave them in the window because it is cold enough to keep them in the window. It's like a fridge, basically, the window is. And I read up online that you're allowed to do that. You're allowed to get boiling water, fill the bottles up, but you can put them in the fridge. We put them in the window. Saves us from going downstairs, but you can do that. Or you can actually make, if you're feeding your baby formula milk, you can actually fill the bottles up with formula, like pre-make it and keep it in the fridge, and it will last for 24 hours, which is like genius. I'm so glad you can do that. I haven't tried it, but I'm so glad you could do that, because half the problem always is filling up bottles and making milk and feeding the baby, like, because this baby does not drink like 7 ounces in one go. She spaces them out like to every 2 hours, and it can get very tiring. So I love that piece of information that I found. Okay guys, how are we all doing today? I am in my pajamas and my Jannah is sitting right here next to me. I just wanted to share my Amazon parcel I got today. You know Black Friday's been rolling around. Yes, honey. You okay? Yeah, you know Black Friday has just like blown up this year for some reason. I've noticed it more, because normally I'm just like, Black Friday, that's an American thing. We don't do that here. So I've had to switch up the angle. My dear lovely Jenna wants to be the cameraman. She's putting the actual camera right in her mouth. Jenna, please don't do that. Yeah, so here's my parcel and what I ordered. I will show you guys. I get excited, really excited to open parcels. So let's open this bad boy up. And I have recently got Amazon Prime. It's only like a month trial, but it's really super exciting because I feel like I want to buy everything off of Amazon. If you like that, let me know down below. But let's open this box and stop Jenna from actually eating and licking my camera. Delicious. Is that yummy? Yeah. Is that really yummy? Look, there's a hand. Okay. Do you want to take over? Do you want to start recording? Do you want to be my cameraman? Actually, I would love to have a cameraman. I would love to have a cameraman. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, okay, she's had enough. Ta-da! Let's open this bad boy up. Can you guess? Any guesses before I show you? Any guesses down below what you think I bought? I mentioned it on my Instagram. Ew! It's the Wellington. Let me turn this around. The Wellington handheld garment steamer, because I am lazy. I hate using an iron. I'm hoping this is really going to help me to iron my clothes. Well, at least like for my coats and stuff, because I have to always shove them back in my wardrobe. And like when I take them out when it's winter, they're so crumpled up and it looks really ugly when you iron them with an iron. Okay, Jenna's crying. I will show you this after I've opened the box. Goodbye. She just gets frustrated these days. I don't know what's up. Jenna is now asleep. I feel like I'll give you this update every time. but Jenna's asleep and I went downstairs to make some cheese toasties. Now what I loved adding in my cheese toasties is, like, this is the bread I get from Home Bargains. There's literally like 39p and you get two massive. And my husband's gonna have a roti. He's got aloo gosht, I think that is, and this is, what do you call this? If you know what this is called, then let me know down below. It's like bingan, I think. I don't know, but he's having that with burrata. That lucky boy probably will take a bite off him. Okay, it's 1 AM and my daughter's asleep. I'm going to take my glasses off because I've got a ring light on. It's 1 AM, my daughter's asleep. I'm going to show you guys what I bought from Ikea, and this is one of the things that I bought. It's what I bought, 4 of them. It's the Verriera kind of shelf expansion space saving system, and that's what it's supposed to do. Me and my husband have like a shelf space. You guys have probably seen it. I call it the star drawer, where I have stars all over it, and I've got a lot of products and I feel like I've got enough space if I put this in there to be able to add more things to there, so they're not lying around on my tables outside, like outside of my drawers and stuff, so it doesn't look messy. So I'm going to try it and see if this works. My husband's jumped onto the wagon as well and is assuming that this will work for him too, but I just want to test it out with one to see if it will work, and if it doesn't then we can at least return the others. But I'm going to be doing that right now. I'm going to be opening this up and fixing it with you guys, and then we're going to take it from there and see if this is worth it or if this is what I've been looking for. Yeah, let's do it. Ikea is dumb in the sense that they put 8 screws in here and 4 of them were small and 4 of them were big. If you don't read the instructions carefully and you end up putting these ones in, it's hard to take them back out, which I did. I was just looking at the pictures, and what's really bugging me is that these are not even screwed in properly. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that properly. But that one's alright, and there's one here that's gone in. That one was perfect, but this one, can you see? It's not fully in there, which is really bothering me. So I'm going to try and figure out how to do that. But for now, it looks alright. But yeah, if you look at the back of the instructions, these bigger screws are supposed to be for if you want to add these dinner shelves on the top. So yeah, but at least I've done it. It took me ages. How can something so simple take forever? But yeah, I've done it. Okay, so this is the drawer I was talking about. My star drawer. yeah, look, you can tell there's a lot of stuff in here, and I'm hoping I'll be able to organize it nicely if I use the shelf insert. So I'm gonna see what I can do. But yeah, this is the before. So guys, I'm showing you the update a couple of weeks later, but this to me does not look like it's even changed at all. But I do have the shelf here, but what I have realized is I can add way more to my drawer, and I can prioritize, like categorize. I meant to say I can categorize my toiletries and stuff. So at the top of here I have my like deodorants and mini perfumes and stuff like that, so I can easily grab them, and these are just stuff I had lying on my table and they can just fit in there nicely. And here's my deodorant I'm using at the moment. It's nearly finished. It's a Mitchum deodorant, and yeah, if you're sweaty, this is super good, but I would only recommend this if you're working all day. If you're at home most of the time, you don't mind stinking a little bit, then I wouldn't use this because it's super strong. It's just irritating to get rid of and take off at night, because it can make your armpits feel really dry, and it can be hard to remove. Yeah, so I recommend that if you like struggle at work and you sweat a lot and you need to keep the BO at bay, then this is a really good alternative, and it's much cheaper than the Dove ones. Yeah, but the one I was using before, which is super strong like glue, is this one. How did we even get to talking about deodorants? But yeah, this is a maximum protection one. Again, if you are like sweaty and smelly and you don't like when you wear deodorants, that, you know, the smell of the deodorant changes and it goes all icky on your clothes and like smells, and you can't even wear those clothes like twice, because I really don't like wearing clothes once and then throwing them in the wash. Especially like for me, since I wear Asian clothes as well. Well, not at the moment, but yeah, as soon as I come home I change it to Asian clothes or sleeping clothes, so I don't have a problem with wearing my clothes twice, because I feel like I'm only wearing it for half a day anyway. So yeah, back to talking about the shelf. I do recommend it. I think it's really great. Again, if you have bottles and stuff that are small enough, like here at the back of these, I had to put them flat lying down, but it just means I can fit more in there. But yeah, I'm glad I tried it out. I think I'm going to keep one for my husband, because he doesn't have as much as I do. But I feel like once I start getting rid of these products and using them and finishing them up, this drawer will look a million times better. But so I do actually like this, and I did figure out a way to tighten the screws. Yeah, you just had to really push down on them and it worked. So yeah, that's the update on the shelf. Anyway guys, so this is practically like the end of the vlog. Anyway, so I hope you guys, I'm not going to show you my face because I'm not wearing a scarf on, but I hope you guys are having a good night wherever you're getting up to, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog or next video, whatever it will be. I think it's going to be a Primark haul. Yeah, I think it will be, but yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.